Yo, you see the video here? The video here is about weight loss. You see, if you feel obese, if you, me don't want to describe you as big, but you know if you want to get rid of weight. If you're obese, extra fat, and you want help, in a Jamaica right now, the product can help you. Yo, listen to me. It is handmade, 26 plants, and guess what? Taking this chlorophyll for at least 28 days and run another 28 days with doing intermediate fast. What is that? Where you not eat until between 11 and 12 o'clock each day, so we not stop you from eat. Remember me tell you, this will change your life. It will get rid of fat through your blood. You know, this will not give you diarrhea. It just remove your fat through your urine, your feces, and sweat, right? If you're overseas, because I big belly paparazzi government, they don't want this reach. If you're overseas, you can get it in the capsule form, right? Yes, and the work is same miracle and magic. On it, we have here very good for blood pressure regulation, blood sugar regulation, removal of mucus, hormonal imbalance, regulate hormone. It is anti-aging property, blood detoxification, increase your sexual drive, oxygenate the blood, purify the liver, improve blood circulation, weight loss properties, parasite remover, and what? Improve the skin health and appearance. Then you see why me a glow so. Me have here for your people. All you have to do send me a private message. Me no put up my number on the social media, but me can send you my business WhatsApp. It's your time, it's your life. Take control. I'm out. Peace and light. Boom. Knowledge of the true virgin. Chlorophyll. Yeah, man. Formula. Me got the formula. If you change your life right, yes, sir. Manners and respect. Yes, yes. Yes, and the site is now up again. The Etsy website that I have. My website is what? KTV Herbal Remedies. See the link below in the description. Yo, big up on yourself, you know, man. And knowledge of the true virgin upon the motivational tree. Yo, how are you, man? Yes, man, the king is here.